Hey guys, I'm finna show you how to make a ski mask slash little boom type beat. I noticed a lot of people were liking the recent video I just posted, this right here. I'm finna give you a full breakdown of how I did it. So the first thing I did was I found the sample. This sample comes from specifically One Piece. So I took this one region right here that had a perfect loop to it. And the next thing I did was I dragged it to the playlist. Alright, let me mute all these. As you can see, it's not a perfect 4-bar or 5-bar loop. So I double clicked it and I increased the time. Notice I'm at 160 beats per minute because Ski Mask and Little Boom like to rap out with fast tempo type beats. But see, when you heard that, it didn't sound like a perfect loop. So what I did was I added a chant so that you won't be able to tell. See, now you can't even tell it's not a perfect loop. So next thing I did was start working on the pattern. Hold on, let me zoom in. I ain't do anything too special with the patterns. I only used an 808, a snare, a perk, a hi-hat, and a triangle that's right there. Let me open it back up. With the hi-hats, I didn't do anything too special. Let me mute this channel. With the snare, nothing too special. Now with the 808, I used the basic 808 that's in that Pierre Bourne drum kit. Hold on. I didn't unmute it. Here's what it sounded like with it all together again. Wait. Forgot the hi-hats and the snare. So after that, I started structuring the beat like a Little Boom slash Ski Mask type beat. I had a little intro, then I had this snare to build it up. The same as what you heard earlier. use my tag right here, the first, put my tag on the beat so people, when people listen to it, they know it's mine, and also help bring in the beat. After I did the hook, I started working on the verse, and all I did was just take out the hi-hats and just left the basic 808 in the snare. Oh no, I'm right here. Then I bring in the hook drums again, the same pattern. Then right here, all I did was just took away everything except for the 808. Then I'm bringing the same hook pattern again. Then I take away all the drums, just leave the chants, and the beat is like done now. It's over. The last thing I did was add this volume automation. And to do that, I went to my mixer, went to my master mixer. I went right here, I right clicked it, and I created right here. All I did right here was just bring it down, then it goes up. Then at the end, I bring it right back down. Thank you guys for watching my videos. If you have any suggestions, just let me know. And subscribe to my YouTube channel, which is Melanin Senpai, MELANINSENPAI. Make sure you like, share, comment, and if you want me to do another breakdown of any other type of beat, just let me know.